My father started a law firm in 1937 and started practicing part-time in my grandfather's store out on Andrew Jackson Way. After World War II, he came back to Huntsville in 1946 and started full-time practice. He was a district court judge at one time for 4 years, ran for probate judge. He was involved in a lot of community activities and so forth. When I was probably about 12 years old, and even before that, I would ride my bicycle from East Clinton School, come down to his office, which was across the street from the movie theater, and then I hung out at the courthouse watching some of the older guys try lawsuits. So then I went to law school and graduated in 6 years from college and law school, and came back to practice in 1964, and I'm still here. George Beason, my now law partner, the next senior member of this law firm, he and I grew up across the street from each other. So we were friends. After law school, he joined the FBI, and I would call him every few months and say, you need to come back to Huntsville. We've got a good deal going here, and you need to start practicing law with me.
Doug was instigator in trying to get me back, and I finally made the decision to come back, and I came back here in '72.
Our kids grew up together. We're fortunate that my two sons are attorneys here, and one of his 3 daughters. So we kind of got a family thing going.
Well, it really is like a family atmosphere here. We like each other, we respect each other, and we know whoever is handling the case is going to do a good job.
I do think, when people come here, we try to treat them like we would want to be treated. We try to return phone calls, we try to keep them informed with our cases, and we try to do as good a job as we can. We try to put our best foot forward, and we try to handle the case as if it were our own.
Well, everybody kind of knows each other's strengths, but we kind of use a team approach up here, and everybody's working for the same goal, and that's to get a good job done for the client.
We have just always concentrated on doing a good job for our clients, and I think that's what the secret is. We just did the best job we could for our clients, and that's why I think we got a good reputation.
We're going to keep on going and hopefully keep expanding, and we've got a good team working, got some good associates, and they're doing a great job, and I think they're enjoying working with us.
When I moved into town and I told my family and my friends I was going to be working at Martinson Beason, they all knew about him. You couldn't have ended up with a better group of people, is what I always heard. And it turns out it's the truth. They have the same repeat clients for decades. I mean, for decades, these people keep coming back to them. They must be doing something right. They must be showing them the kind of attention that they require, but still doing quality legal representation.
I've been out practicing law for about 8 years now, and I've been at Martinson Beason for a little over 2 years now. And the quality of representation and the quality of our attorneys and our staff is a cut above the rest. And if you go around North Alabama and you ask about Martinson Beason, I don't care, plaintiff side, defendant side, judge, assistant, wherever, you're going to hear good things. And it's because of the reputation that's been built over 75 years and that continues to this day and will into the future.